Bioesque Mold and Mildew Stain Remover is a professional strength cleaner made to erase mold and mildew stains fast. If you're dealing with mold after water damage, this product helps you clean surfaces quickly, safely, and effectively. Before you begin, always read the product label. The label is the law. Start by preparing the area, clear away visible debris, cover anything that could be damaged by the cleaner, including metal, marble, landscaping, or plants. Make sure the space is well ventilated and always wear proper safety gear. This includes sealed safety glasses or chemical goggles, gloves that cannot be penetrated by chemicals, protective clothing, and shoes. A respirator rated for bleach and mist if needed. Next, fill a corrosion-resistant sprayer with the mold and mildew stain remover. This product is ready to use, no mixing required. Apply it directly to the stain areas. Spray generously until the surface is wet. You can also apply it as foam to help stick longer, especially in hot areas where the product might dry too fast. Let the product sit on the surface and agitate as needed. You'll see stains begin to disappear. If any stains remain, apply a second coat. Once the surface is fully clean and dry, you can apply Bioesque's mold-resistant coating for added protection. When you're done, store the product safely. Keep it locked up in a well-ventilated area inside a corrosion-resistant plastic container. Make sure the lid is tightly closed. Bioesque's mold and mildew stain remover is fast, effective, and built for restoration pros. It cleans the surfaces, penetrates deep, and gets the job done with less scrubbing and less odor.